Hello one and all, my name is Swaroop from Sri Venkateswara Engineering College, Bangalore from EC department. Today we are going to study about mobile communication technologies. So these are the contents we are going to study: 1G technology, 2G, 3G, 4G and 5G technologies. So now what is mobile? A mobile is a portable telephone that does not use a wired connection. It connects to a wireless carrier network using waves. So what is meant by mobile communication? A wireless form of communication in which voice and data information is emitted, transmitted, and received via microwaves. This type of communication allows individuals to converse with one another or transmit data while moving from one place to another. So now here comes 1G technology. 1G refers to first generation of wireless telephone technology. Mobile telecommunication was first introduced in 1980s and completed in early 1990s. So at that time, data services are almost non-existent. It only allows the voice call in only one country. 1G network use analog signals. So these are the drawbacks of 1G technologies: poor voice quality, poor battery life, large phone size, no security in the phones, limited capacity. So here is the second technology. 2G technology refers to the second generation, which is based on GSM. It was launched in Finland in the year 1991. 2G network used digital signals. Its data speed was up to 64 kbps. It enables services such as text messages, picture messages, or multimedia message. It provides better quality and capacity than the 1G technology. So these are the drawbacks of 2G technology. Requires strong digital signal to help mobile phones work. If there was no network coverage, digital signals were weakened. Systems were unable to handle complex data like videos. So now comes 2.5G technology. It's between 2G and 3G. 2.5G is sometimes described as 2G cellular technology combined with GPRS. Features include phone sales, send or receive email messages, camera phone. The speed was like from 64 kbps to 144 kbps. Now here comes the 3G technology. 3G technology referred to third generation, which was introduced in year 2006. Data transmission speed increased from 144 kbps to 2 mbps. Typically called smartphones, accommodate web-based applications and audio and video files. These are the features of 3G technology. Provides faster communication, send or receive large email messages, TV streaming or mobile TV. Uh, the time taken to download a 3-minute MP3 song is 11 second to 1.5 minute. So now 4G technology. 4G technology referred to fourth generation, which was started from 2011, capable of providing 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps speed. One of the basic terms used to describe 4G is magic. So features like mobile multimedia, anytime, anywhere, global mobility support, integrated wireless solution, customized personal services. So these are the drawbacks of 4G technologies. Battery usage is more, hardware to implement, need complicated hardware, expensive equipment required to implement next generation network. So here comes our 5G technology. Nowadays, the rollout is going on in India. 5G is a fifth generation network. It is global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. These are two types of 5G networks: stand alone and non stand alone. So, non stand alone. In this, the existing infrastructure of 4G network is used for the 5G. So now standalone means new infrastructure is used for 5G network. So these are the spectrum bands in megahertz. 800 megahertz is used for good data coverage. 900 megahertz is used for original GSM spectrum. 700 megahertz, which is again a good band used for 4G networks. So 700 megahertz band is in demand now. The 700 megahertz band emerged hot property among telcos in the recent 5G auctions. Reliance Jio paid a premium to acquire spectrum in that coveted band. So the features include ideal for wireless band, covers long distance, that is about 7 to 10 kilometers of coverage, offers better indoor penetration in dense geographics, consume low power, can achieve 300 Mbps of download speed in trials, offers cost benefits to telcos. So you can see on the screen that 700 megahertz and 800 megahertz gives more coverage but less speed. That is, the speed of internet will be less as compared to the higher bands. So here we can see that towers have been connected with these bands. You can see in this picture that 2600 megahertz, 2100 megahertz, 2800 megahertz, these are the frequency bands which gives less coverage area, but the speed of network will be more as compared to the 700 megahertz bands and 800 megahertz bands. So 5G spectrum bands include low band, mid band, and high band. So here is the list of supported 5G bands in India nowadays. So the 5G mobiles include these bands. So 700 megahertz, that is band number N28, is used by the Jio operator. 800 megahertz is also used by the Jio operator. 1800 megahertz, that is N3. Jio, Airtel, and Vodafone telcos companies are using these bands. Now in this slide you can see that the mobile is having 12 5G bands, which is good connectivity, which gives good connectivity to the mobile, and the network will be good. So the 4G network contains 15 Mbps speed. 5G band, which is of 6 gigahertz, contains 50 to 75 Mbps of speed, and 5G high bands contain over 1 Gbps speed. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Thank you.